Hello, good morning students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknatharav Khadse Talent English Medium School, Muktai Nagar. So dear students, today we are going to learn very interesting grammar parts. So the first lesson in this class, vowels and consonant. Vowels and consonant. Keep in mind, it is very important topic in English. So keep in mind properly. So first things, we have to know that how many letters are present in alphabet. Total A to Z, how many letters are there? 26 letters are present. How many letters? 26 letters. So 26 letter, what do we call? Alphabet. What do you call? Alphabet. Alphabet. So that alphabet has been divided into two parts according to the sound. According to the sound, the alphabet has been divided into two parts. One is vowel, second one is consonant. So I hope everybody knows that how many vowels letters are present and how many consonant letters are present. Still I am saying vowels letter only 5, just like A, E, I, O, U. Total remains letter what? Which are the coming? Just like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Total 21 letters are present in consonant letter. Understand? So this is very main things. So this is we call vowels and this is we call consonant. So both are in a group. It means both of came from one, that is alphabet. Alphabet how many types? 26 letters. 26 letters, what do you call? Alphabet. Alphabet how many parts? Two parts. One is vowels and second one is consonant. Keep in mind properly, it is very helpful to you. So now it will create A, E, I, O, U, the vowel sounds, whereas it creates some consonant sound. Understand? So this is the very interesting part which is you have to keep in mind. So already in second standard you learn very well. So just I am recalling this. I am not saying that you don't know, I am teaching you. Not like that. Just I am recalling you. You knows, this all are you knows very well. Properly you knows. Just I am recalling. You are very good and intelligent students. You all are. That's why I am just recalling it. Okay. So next, test yourself. First point is given. Just make a snapshot. Okay. Good. Now first things, test yourself, it is given for you. Put each group of words in the dictionary order. Put each group of words in dictionary order. In dictionary order. So what is dictionary order means? Means we have to arrange the word according to the letter. Got it? According to the letter we have to arrange it. So example, I will give some point to you and I will solve, and according to solution we also have to solve it. So just like say book. Next I will write rocket. Next I will write egg. Next I will write apple. So first things, according to the alphabet, means dictionary order means alphabetical order. Dictionary order means what? Alphabetical order. Keep it in your minds. So alphabetical order means first which letter will come? A. Second B. Third C. So according to that the word also we have to arrange it. So first A. Okay. So just to see here, which one is A letter? Which one is A letter? This is. Right? So right here, answer what you write? First A P P L E apple. Got it? A after A, what any is there? Nothing. Next we go B. B where is? Here. B O O K book. Next C D E. E is there. Egg. Last one is R. So this is the process. Each and everything we write. Suppose if some letter, two letters same will come. So what you will do? Example, question number 2. Bat, man, bird, dog. Now just to see here, bat, man, bird, dog. So first letter which one? Here. Now according to the alphabet, B is first, but it has written here also B, here also B. So both side given B, here also B, here also B. The first letter same. So what we will do now? We will go for second letter. Second letter. So second letter here what? A. Second letter here what? U. So A will come first or U will come first? A only come first. So what you write now? So this one will write now. Just like that. Then after, what do you practice now? Bird. Then after, B, M will come or D will come? D will come. Then after, yes, man. Did you understand? So this is the process and you have to keep in your mind. Second point is, count the vowels and consonant in each words. So it has given for you. So make it screenshot and write down, and you can try to understand. If you not understand, you can ask me later. Okay, good. Now second point you discuss. Second point, count the vowels and second. What? Count the vowels and consonant letter. What is given? For example, one example, a potato, P-O-T-A-T-O. So it has given vowels, it has given consonant, right? So now we have to see in this letter, in this word, how many vowels are present, we have to write here, and how many consonants are present, we have to write here. But one more thing, sometimes vowels repeated will come. For example, A 2 times, 3 times will come. So we have to, don't write that 3, 4. No, don't write like that. A, how many repeats? One only. Any letter, if it repeat, for example, if you repeat 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, but letter is one only, I have to write. Are you getting my point? For example, here O 2 times came, A 1 time came. So but 3 things vowels, both are same. So here how many vowels are present? O and A. So how many? 2. Are you getting my point? In this way we have to write it. So here 2 O came, so we have to write 1. Then for A. So total vowels how many? 2. Understand? Next point is consonant letter. P, T, T. Here also same. T double time came. So what we have to do? Only one single note, we have to take it. So now consonant also 2. Are you getting my point? Second point, forest. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. So F-R-S-T. How many letter came? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 came consonant. How many vowel came? 1, 2, A and E. So vowel letter is 2. Second point you practice in this. Okay, understand properly? If you want to understand, definitely you can ask to me. So next point is, so make a screenshot, it will help to you in writing. Okay, good. Next point is, give words begin with 3 vowel sounds. It is given A, E, I, O, U. Give words begin with these vowel sounds. Just like A place A words, right? E place E word. And I place I word, O place O word, U place U. For example, A, I am writing apple. E, E A G L E also you can write it. I N K, ink. O, onion. U, U M B R E L L A. So in this way you can write how much you get, you may write. It is good for your practice and you can learn more things. Next point we'll discuss next chapter. Just to do this, then after we'll do the next. Okay. Use of A or N. Yes or no? Use of A or N. बस. Okay, we will do these things. Use of a or n. Where you have to use a or where you have to use n. No, later we will discuss. Okay. These things write properly and understand properly. Definitely the another class we will start another topic. Okay, bye bye.